There's no one I can.
Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
It's been so long na hindi ako nakapag-makeup. Yes, it's been a month now. I even forgot how to put my makeup on. O, diba? Let's see today. Yeah, today is the 30th day, 30 days. Nawala akong makeup at all. Kasi syempre, we are only staying at home, guys. Ayun. So, ano ba ngayon? Anyway, today I decided na baka anytime soon, mag-back to work na ang lola nyo. Diba? Anytime soon. So, I decided, sandali lang po. Inumin ko lang po, oh. Kape-kape tayo.
Make a cup of coffee for your head. It'll get you up and going. I live that.
Today, I decided na i-recreate na. Since I promised you last time to recreate my old videos. My first Get Ready With Me video, diba? So, tingnan natin kung nag-improve nga ang lola nyo. Mostly, the product that I will use is... kasi yung iba nun nawala na ako. So, I try as much as possible to use the same product. Pero, kung paano ako mag-apply, I will try to do it, but in a better version now. O, diba? Tingnan natin kung nag-improve ang lola nyo. So, watch the video.
By the way guys, this is a sunscreen or a sunblock. I forgot to show it to you.
When our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me, how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand. Like the stars had all aligned.
Oops, I forgot to tell you. Before the eyeshadow, guys, we have to prime our eyelids, diba? So that the colors will be intense or it will stay longer. So I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me. It's the same effect as of the eye primer.
You're like poetry, the crazy whirlwinds blows us from the corners of my mind. Been long since last touched for the first time. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine. Like the stars had all aligned. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like feel your energy when our eyes touch, so familiar deep inside, like you were already mine. Surreal to me how you make me feel wild and calm at the same time. Never felt so alive. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine. Like the stars had all aligned. I lay beside today, tonight. Your vibe, desire, our eyes on fire. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity. You have me like gravity. It's just like a magnet. The crazy whirlwinds blows us from the corners of my mind. Been long since last touched for the first time. Thought I was crazy until I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine. Like the stars had all aligned. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You
this is the final look, guys. Oh, anong masasabi nyo? Ito rin yung suot ko. The necklace, I'm not so sure kung ito yun. Ito lang nahanap ko. Yan. See the makeup look? This is, I just created the look that I have before. Anong masasabi nyo? Pwede na ba? So, yun lang. That's the end of our video. My advice, ano ba, nag-advise na lola nyo? It's not advice actually. Kahit as we grow older, as the years goes by, do not stop on recreating or reinventing yourself, guys. Tingnan nyo, from that video, we use almost all the same products kasi yung iba, wala na ako. I mean, wala na ako yung mga products na yun. But still, the same technique, the same way, how I applied before, but newly improved lang. Oh, so this is the new me. So if I can do it, you can do it also, guys. So, with this, I bid you, okay, don't forget to always be a blessing to others. Yun lang, guys. Yay! This is what I promised you, guys. Tignan nyo ba yung makeup ko, guys? Ayan. Nagpalit ako ng t-shirt kasi medyo Makati yung t-shirt na yun. Hindi. Luma na kasi yun. Makati na. Anyways, this is the makeup look that I created before. Same brand. And this is me now. Yay! Nag-improve ba, guys? Hope you like this video.
Guys, may pa-bonus ako. Katuwaan lang. Check this out.
What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh, damn. Okay.
So, katuwaan lang, guys. O, diba? Reinvent yourself, diba sabi ko? So, if I'm gonna create that look, I would look like this now. Oh, diba?
Guys, eto na
Ganda.
talaga. I'm gonna see you all in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell. God bless everybody. I miss you, Munchkins. Bye!
Girl, ang ganda-ganda mo. The way you smile makes me high. Parang iba na to, iba na.